Sorry, but no one's available to answer your call at this time. If you'd like to leave a message, please wait for the beep, then press pound, press 3, then dial your name, then press 6 and dial your number, then press star, press 69, ask for extension 4443, then leave your name and message. If you want to leave your number and the time you called, please press star twice, bark like a dog, spin in a circle, press 1 26 times, and wait for the beep. And thanks for calling.
Oh no! It's your mom calling! What does she want? What does she want?
Why won't you answer me? Hello? This is your cell phone. What, do you think you're just not gonna answer me? You keep me in your pocket like I'm some dirty little... Why won't you answer me? I'm not gonna ring forever, pal. And when I'm done ringing, that's it. You can say goodbye.